Hey, it's John with Gridin It Mobile Solar. I wanted to do a quick video to show you why it's so important to make sure that you choose UV stable PV cable when you're doing installations that are going to be outside. As you can see here, there's a definite color difference. This cable right here is UV stable. This isn't. This is a year older than this cable. This was advertised as UV stable. However, it's fading. Eventually it's going to get brittle. It's going to start breaking off. It's going to be a problem. So you need to really make sure that you have UV stable cable when you're outside. This plug, I know a lot of people might comment that they're no good for using for solar arrays, but I use this for a small ground mount array. But I've rewired this with good 10 gauge PV cable. But yeah, so this is why it's really important to use UV stable cable when you're outside.